आपको मेरी तरफ से ईद मुबारक। सलाम अलैकुम brothers and sisters।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है ईद का चांद आपकी जिंदगी के हर कोने को मोहब्बत और खुशियों से रोशन करे। आप सभी को ईद बहुत बहुत मुबारक।
दोस्तों और अजीजों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ईद उल फित्र की बहुत 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 मुबारकबाद कबूल करें। आज का ये दिन हमारे लिए अल्लाह का दिया हुआ एक बेशकीमती तोहफा है, और तोहफा किसी भी हालत में, किसी भी सूरत में और किन्हीं भी हालात में दिया जाए उसे कबूल करना चाहिए और अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए, या उसका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए जिसने वो तोहफा दिया है। आप हम सब मिलकर अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करें कि आज का दिन दिखाए।
Celebrating Eid al-Fitr. I know that for many this year's celebration will be a little different than usual as the world faces a huge and unprecedented challenge. This is a difficult time for everyone, including our Kiwi Muslims, and I've been pleased to see New Zealanders responding with unity, kindness and generosity, values that underpin Ramadan and Eid al-Fitr. I encourage you all to continue in this spirit as we work to keep ourselves, our whānau and our communities safe. Although you might not be able to come together and connect as you normally would, as we all stay in our bubbles, I wish you all the very best on this special occasion. Eid Mubarak.
Assalamu alaikum. Tonight, Muslims in Canada and around the world will celebrate Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, a month of fasting and prayer. It's a time to give thanks and show compassion and generosity to those in need. This year, many of the traditions and celebrations will be carried out at home and online. But despite the challenges of COVID-19, Muslim Canadians have been putting into practice the values at the heart of Islam throughout Ramadan. They've been helping their neighbours by donating food and supplies to support those less fortunate, and our essential workers have been putting in long hours even while fasting. So as Muslim Canadians mark this special day at home, it's an opportunity for all of us to recognize the contributions they have made and continue to make to our country. Our government will always stand with Canada's Muslim communities and celebrate the diversity that makes us who we are. On behalf of our family, Sophie and I wish all those celebrating a joyful Eid al-Fitr, Eid Mubarak.
Kardeş ülkeden selamun aleyküm. I cannot thank you enough for the unimaginable love and incredible response you are giving to Ertuğrul Gazi Urdu by PTV. And also I would like to thank PTV for bringing Ertuğrul Gazi to you all. आपको मेरी तरफ से ईद मुबारक। Salam alaikum brothers and sisters.
Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak. I'd like to send my warmest wishes to everyone celebrating Eid al-Fitr. Normally, Eid is a time for Muslims to come together with family, friends and fellow worshippers. It's a time when we're generous, not only with our charity, but with our food service and our hugs too. But this year is going to be very different because we have to stay at home and save lives. And yet, as Muslim Londoners have shown throughout Ramadan, keeping our distance doesn't mean we can't still hold each other close in our hearts. Whether it's participating in virtual iftars or finding safe ways to support the most vulnerable, it's possible to be together while staying apart. So please, continue to stay home and follow the rules. Finally, I want to pay tribute to our Muslim community for your huge contribution to our city during this difficult time and showing that London's diversity is our greatest strength. Eid Mubarak.
नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम वालेकुम। ईद उल फितर की आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। जिंदगी का हर पल खुशियों से कम न हो, आपका हर दिन ईद के दिन से कम न हो। ऐसा ईद का दिन आपको हमेशा नसीब हो जिसमें कोई भी दुख और गम न हो। कोरोना संकट को देखते हुए इस बार सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करते हुए ही ईद का त्यौहार मनाने की अपील की जा रही है और एक दूसरे से गले ना मिलने की सलाह दी जा रही है। भले ही एक दूसरे से गले ना मिलके आप एक दूसरे को विश ना कर पाएंगे, लेकिन आप सबके 30 दिन की इबादत और इस कड़कती हुई धूप में रोज़ा रखना काबिले तारीफ है। आप सबको हैट्स ऑफ मेरी तरफ से।